If this is your first time creating a workshop on Fisheye Connect, welcome. We are excited to be able to promote you. In this video, we will be going over all the steps you need to take in order to put your workshop together. This process may take you a few minutes, but it is really easy. So let's get started. Once you have created a Fisheye account, log in, then go to your teacher dashboard. Once you are there, you will see a blue button that says Add Workshop. Click on it. Once you're there, on the first page you will be describing what your workshop is all about and making sure that students will be able to find your workshop. For the first step, click on the searchable button. This will enable students to be able to find your workshop. Then click on the Display Event Seats button. This allows students to see how many available spaces there are for your workshop. Include a title, and select all the categories that your workshop covers. To select more than one category, on a normal computer, hold down the Control button and select. If you have a Mac, hold down the Command button and select. For the Showcase image, click on Choose a File, and select an image that you want as your workshop icon as well as the banner on your workshop's page. Make sure that your image falls under the recommended measurements. For the workshop summary, give a brief description of what your workshop is about. Under the Materials section, list all the materials that your students will need to bring. If there are any prerequisites that your students need to have before your workshop, list them here. The message for registration receipt is a personalized message from you that is included in the follow-up email that students get after they have signed up for your workshop. You do not need to use this section, but it is highly encouraged. For the full description, this is where you will describe what your workshop is all about in detail. Once you have completed all these tasks, click on the Save and Continue button and go to the next page. Here on the second page, you will be adding a date for your workshop as well as how many seats your workshop has. To start, include the ratings for your workshop. Select the Online Event button, which is set in the Eastern Time Zone. Include a start date for your workshop as well as an end date. Then proceed to add a date for when students can begin signing up for your workshop. Also add a publish date. You must include this in order for students to search and sign up for your workshop. Under the Seats category, include how many people can attend your workshop. For the fees, select either Pass On, which splits up the pricing for students until it is all added up at the checkout, or you can select Absorb, which includes all the fees together. Include a price per seat. And if you wish to have a reduced price on your workshop for early registration, add a start and end date for this promotion. You do not need to use this option, however, it is encouraged. If you wish to allow students to sign up a friend, select the Guest Registration button. Also add a guest price. After you have done this, add a location for your workshop and select your name under the instructor's selection. Now that you have completed step 2, click on the green Save and Continue button and head to the next page. For the next step of creating your workshop, you can either choose to add a promo code or you can scroll down and press the green Skip button. If you are adding a promo code, include a title, as well as a start and end date. Under the Quantity Available section, include a number of how many people can use this code. If you wish to use this code for anyone, leave it blank. Under the Amount section, include how much the promo code will be in either dollars or % off, or you can select the price override. Once you have completed this task, press the green Save and Continue button. Now it's time to create your workshop gallery. Here you will select images that will display on your workshop page once students click on your workshop. You may skip this step by clicking on the green Skip button. However, We highly recommend you create a gallery so that students have a better understanding of your workshop. To create your gallery, click on Choose Files. Select as many images as you want to display. Once you have selected your images, click on Upload. After you have uploaded your images, click on the Save button and continue. Congratulations! Now your workshop is published. You will see new workshops in blue, live workshops in red, and once your workshop has passed, it will appear in black on your teacher dashboard. You will now see that your live workshop is on the home page of Fisheye Connect. Feel free to click on your workshop to make sure everything is correct. If there are any changes that need to be made, go to your teacher dashboard and edit workshop. For more information and help, check out our tutorial videos on how to edit your workshop under the Help tab. If you have any more questions, let us know at info@fisheyeconnect.com. See you next time.